Hey all, welcome to Odd Rob, coming to you from Savannah, Georgia, down near the riverfront. I'm going to try the trolley tour with the Savannah Tours today in Savannah's historic district. Now there are 14 stops in total, and if you were to ride continuously, it's about 90 minutes in all. Since the trolleys come around every 20 minutes, there's several running. You can hop off and explore wherever you want, and then you can hop back on after you've had something to eat, toured one of the museums or whatever. The tours start around 9 a.m. and finish around 5. Let's go check it out. So basically how this works is we got picked up at the hotel by a shuttle with Savannah Tours, and they brought us over to a spot where we got on a trolley. One of the trolleys take us around, and that took us to the Welcome Center, which is the first stop on the whole run. And the whole run, I was told, runs about an hour and a half. After this, we go ahead, we're picking up some more people, and we're going to start our tour. So it looks like there's going to be characters that are going to get on occasionally. So I just hopped off. There goes my trolley right there. And I stopped off here at stop 11 because it's about time. I also signed up for the riverboat cruise. So I was pretty psyched about that. And I'm gonna just check out a couple of the shops and maybe go over and get something cool to drink until I'm ready to head on over to the cruise. So, all right, that was very fun. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. It'll help our channel grow. And while you're down there, drop a comment, leave some feedback. It's always appreciated. And you know what? Until next time, coming to you from beautiful Savannah, Georgia. Stay safe, stay well. By all means, you already know it. Stay on.